Best portable blender for smoothies travel. If you've ever tried making a smoothie while traveling, you know the struggle. Hotel blenders are hit or miss, and full-size ones are way too bulky to pack. So I bought 5 of the best portable blender for smoothies travel options and tested them myself. I made protein shakes, crushed ice, even blended frozen fruit to see which one's actually worth carrying around.
Product number 1. Ninja Blast Max Portable Blender. When I held the Ninja Blast Max, it felt solid right away. It's cordless, which I love, and the 22-ounce vessel is a great size for a full meal smoothie. The twist-and-go design makes it feel secure, and the lid seals tightly. I tossed it in my backpack and didn't deal with any leaks. During testing, this thing handled frozen berries and ice better than I expected from a portable unit. The 3 programs actually make a difference. I could switch depending on whether I was doing a light protein shake or a thicker smoothie. Since it's rechargeable, I used it in my car and even at the park without hunting for an outlet.
Product number 2. Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. When I set the Ninja Fit on my counter, it felt compact but sturdy. The 700-watt base has some weight to it, so it doesn't slide around while blending. The 2 16-ounce cups are perfect for single servings, and I like that you blend and drink from the same cup. In my tests, this thing crushed ice fast. I made frozen mango smoothies, and it didn't struggle at all. You just press down to blend, which keeps it simple. It's not cordless, so you'll need an outlet, but the power makes up for that. I even used it for quick food prep, like chopping nuts and blending sauces. Product number 3. NutriBullet Personal Blender NBR-0601WM. When I picked up the NutriBullet, it felt familiar and dependable. The 24-ounce cup is a nice size, and the 600-watt motor base feels sturdy without being too bulky. It's simple in design, which I actually appreciate. Blending performance was smooth, especially with protein shakes and frozen strawberries. I noticed it created a really creamy texture even when I added spinach and seeds. You push down and twist to lock it in place, and it stays steady while running. I've used it for smoothies and even quick salsa, and it handles both well. Product number 4 is the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender at the 51102V with 2 jars. When I first grabbed this Hamilton Beach model, I noticed how lightweight it is. The 14-ounce jars are smaller, which actually makes it easier to pack. It comes with 2 travel cups, and that's a big plus if you're sharing or prepping ahead. In my testing, it handled protein powder, bananas, and softer fruits really well. Ice was okay in small amounts, but I wouldn't overload it. The stainless steel blades are durable, and the one-touch blending keeps things simple. I like that I could blend, twist on the lid, and head out the door. Product number 5. Hamilton Beach Portable Blender 51171 Coral. This coral version feels almost identical in build, but I've got to say, the color is fun. When I held it, it felt just as lightweight and compact as the white model. The 14-ounce BPA-free jar is perfect for a quick morning shake before heading out. Performance-wise, it's best for simple blends. I used it for protein shakes, yogurt smoothies, and soft fruit mixes, and it handled those without any issues. For heavy ice or frozen chunks, you'll need to cut things smaller first. The lid fits securely, and I didn't have any leaks tossing it into my bag. After testing all 5, it really comes down to how and where you travel. If you want cordless freedom, go with that. If you've got outlet access and want more power, there are great options here too. Check the links in the description for current prices and see which one fits your routine best.